Now she's gonna rub your belly. Just let her rub your belly. That's your best friend. There you go. We know you love Let.
Hey everyone, today we've got a plot twist. My dog just made a new best friend, and it's not me. Watch as Mr. Fluffy showers my neighbor with all the love, tail wags, and dramatic puppy eyes. Ouch! My feelings.
Who is it, Bangs?
It's the first time I've seen the dog so happy when meeting my friend.
It wasn't nearly as good as yours.
Watch my dog fall in love with the elderly neighbor. Little Tubbs greets her neighbors every day. Charlie really loves his neighbors. My dog loves my neighbor more than me.
Who else saw that? Huh? All of them?
Yuki likes to gossip with our neighbors.
Were they on the bike? Which way did they go? Over there? Over there? And what'd you do? What? You just sit there?
Every time she meets him, she does the same to him. Her neighbor fell in love with her dog, and they became best friends.
Oh my gosh, you too. Just got that step.
His neighbor girl. My dog loves my neighbor more than me. I can't handle the friendship between my dog and my neighbor. They are so excited. I melt when I see those wags.
Oh, God.
We missed you! We thought we didn't see you today!
too pure for this world. Today, Fred and Ipo met this very lovely couple on the beach. Lana has fallen in love with our neighbor and always waits for them on every trip. The dogs can't wait to see him. The dog has shared custody. Their relationship is truly pure. The friend he never had. Oh, she's sitting there patiently waiting for her acknowledgement. LOL.
Seeing if my dachshund puppy can recognize me
Your
outside.
friend judged you very harshly and said, "This judgment feels familiar."
It's Mama.
Dogs are one of the true joys of the world.
There's my boy. There's my boy. Be a good boy. Be a good boy. Okay, buddy. I'll see you Thursday. Alright, buddy. I'll see you later. You have a good weekend.
He's a really friendly friend. Everyone loves being around him. It seems like she forgot the way home with me. The way he tries so you can see him happy with someone else. I love how everyone is pleased when he sits on their laps.
Hi. I love you. I miss you even though I haven't met you before. Hi, I miss you. Hi, I love you. Hi. Oh, it's you. I guess you're home then. When's dinner?
He's exuberant and thrilled when shaking hands with strangers. He's trying to tell Dad that he wants you to be his mom.
I'm stuck now, right? Okay. Oh, okay.
The cutest interaction you've seen today. He dropped the match. He loves growing up with the neighbor kids.
Go say hi to Jack. Go say hi. Hi, Jack.
Lucy will only sit next to complete strangers and then stare at me.
He smelled you! Oh my god!
She's more excited than I am when he arrives.
Why? Who is that?
every child deserves a second mom as sweet and wonderful as this.
Oh! You better calm your big booty patootie down. Now we know you're excited. You're excited to see Lex. Now she's gonna rub your belly. Just let her rub your belly. That's your best friend. There you go. We know you love Lex.
Our neighbors are truly their best friends. This melts my heart.
What? I don't own this dog. It just hopped in my car. Come on, Ruby. Let's go. Let's not get these people's stuff all muddy. I just had my car detailed.
Mi perrita caminando con dos desconocidos pensando que éramos mi novio y yo hasta que se da cuenta de que no los conoce.
When your dog loves your girlfriend more than you, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with friends. We'll see you in the next one. Take care and stay positive.